The Led Zeppelin Experience, performed by Hammer of the Gods, coming to the Count Basie Theater in Red Bank, New Jersey, Saturday, May 9th. The New York Times says they're a hot ticket. Come see and hear what fans and critics call the greatest Zeppelin show in the world. Buy tickets online at CountBasieTheater.org or charge by phone. Saturday, May 9th at the Count Basie Theater in Red Bank, New Jersey. The Led Zeppelin Experience, Hammer of the Gods.